All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So here it is, the official leather case for the Galaxy Z Flip. Now, at the recording of this video, February 18th, there's only there's technically four. You've got this one, the casemate, and you have another one. I can't really think of the name of it, but there's actually four cases you could possibly get for this phone aftermarket. One of them is on eBay for like $30. They're shipping from Korea though. That one's an official Samsung case too, but it's not coming. I don't think it's supposed to be outside of Korea. But here is the leather case. Now let me just point this out. I know that we don't need to packaging for our stuff afterwards. We toss this stuff, but for $80, Samsung, there are case manufacturers out there that are shipping theirs in big wooden boxes. And you ship this in a piece of cardboard, they got all of this $80. They cut corners big time, man. Anyway, this case will work with, really, that's just, you're wrong for that, Samsung. You're wrong for it, partner. They give you instructions on how to put this on. Let's get all this out of the way. Ultimately, what you want to do is you want to peel off this protector right here, and then you just put it on, seal it to the back of the phone like that. It tells you right here how it would prefer that you put it on. So on this portion right here, you want to put it down like that, go up top first, and then on the bottom, same thing. So you can read over that if you want to, but this case obviously can be reused on and off. So we'll start with this side right here. Let's get it cleaned up. Yeah, man, for $80, Samsung, I was expecting a heck of a lot better packaging. And I know what if I wanted to resell this leather case? You know what I'm saying? Now you can't do it. What if I get something else and I decide, oh, I just want to resell this? It's not happening. So you want to make sure that you get all the dust off, because this is going to be on here for a while. So I'm going to peel up here. There's also another little tab at the top. It has like these little indentions. You probably can't see it too well on video, but it has like these little spots on here where it helps stick to the phone to suck it onto it. So like the results or the instructions say, you want to come down on the top right here and then press down like that. And then it's on. Ooh, this feels good, man. Yeah. Protection finally. Now let's do the back. Get it all shined up, get it nice and clean. A lot of people say, oh, I don't like cases on my phone. Man, it doesn't even have anything to do with the price nowadays. It's just that phones are so fragile. It's incredible. So this one comes off. And then same thing, we're gonna make sure that it's clean. Way more grip now, folks. Put this in my pocket, it's not gonna slide around. And then you wanna dog it. I'm gonna get it all cleaned up. Yeah, if you have this phone, folks. Now this case obviously is sold out. I went in again. People asked me how I got the phone, how I was able to get one. Well, I went in on the 13th. They actually opened it up a little sooner. You just drop it on like that. There it is, and now it's protected. And so, look, through the Techzilla was able to get his to stand up like this. I must have mine on crooked. Yeah, I do. When I was watching Techzilla video, he stood it. He stood his up. I was like, what the heck? Alright, let's see. Yeah, it's good. And you can't remove and put this back on and off. But there it is, man. This now is on. It's on now. Got the case right there. You can check to see if you have it up too far or down too far by looking at like where the hinge is right there. Yeah. You can adjust it if you need to. I'm gonna adjust this top portion because it just comes right off. It's very sticky though. Yeah, so it's good. Got it on perfect right there. Yeah, so there it is, man. The official leather case from Samsung. This works with the wireless share. They say take this off, but I think I was watching the text video. He said he got it to work, but wireless charging works with it. You just pop it on like that. You'll get some wireless charging. Let me see something here. I got a wireless charger right here. Let's put this on real quick. I'm just gonna touch it up against it. See if I can get it to charge. Oh, yep, there it is. It's charging. Started charging. So I guess I didn't even have to do that. I could just put it on like this. There it is. There's your wireless charger. That's for real wireless charging. Anyway, yeah, so wireless charging works for this right here. The case is definitely, let me see, do the stand. There it is. I got it on right now. All right, tech. I got it on right. I had it a little crooked the first time, but the case is definitely a must, man. I know, look, I know it's expensive. I know it's expensive, but you just paid $1,400 for the phone, so you might as well get the case. Zoom a little bit. Yeah, you might as well get the case. So, yeah, this feels just as good as I knew it was gonna feel. You got the little simple Samsung branding on the back there. It's embroidered down there. For the volume rocker and power button is cut out on this side. Nothing there. Microphone, you gotta make sure you know it's official. You got the microphone cut out at the top because this phone has a microphone up there for when you're recording stereo. And then the bottom is open. So there it is, man. Case, official leather case from Samsung. That's probably them emailing me saying, Jay, your case is at the house. It's your man Jay. The folding lifestyle, man. This is the new thing. We in there.